In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add an anchor link, also known as a jump to link, on Squarespace. So over at Squarespace, what I mean when I talk about an anchor link or a jump to a link, I essentially mean a link that is on the navigation bar that we click on, and it will take you to a section on the page. So in this instance, we're on the home page, but I would like to have a link in the navigation bar that takes you down to the land here. And this can, for example, be an About Us section or a Services section that you want the users to click on, and that takes you directly down to that page. So in order to do that, what we need to do is come into the editor on Squarespace, then find the section which we want the users to land on the anchor link. Just click Edit Section and come all the way down to where we see Anchor Link. From here, we can just write land here, but I would just recommend to have that as the name of the section or what a section is called. So let's just click Save on this, come out to the exit, and then click on the main navigation, go all the way down to where we see a link. And from here, just paste the link that we got from that section. And also what is good to know here that just what this link does, it says that, okay, for the forward slash, which is on the home page, we are taking you down to the section that has the ID which we created, which is land here. So for example, if you had it on the blog page, this would maybe look like, for example, /blog/ something like that. So just keep that in mind as well. In this instance, I'm doing it on the home page, but if you want to do it on the other pages, down, we have to also add that into the link right here. So let's just call this link land here and click Save. And as you can see, we now have the land here link on the navigation, and when we click it, it takes you directly down to the section that we wanted it to be taken down to. So this was a very easy way on how you can create an anchor link or a jump to link on Squarespace. If you find this useful, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, the links are down below. And as always, have a great day.